Have you ever wondered how the ultra-rich spend their time and money? Imagine a life where every detail, every need, and every desire is meticulously taken care of. Sounds like a dream, right? Growing up, I remember the first time I saw a private jet taking off at the local airport. The sheer elegance and exclusivity of it captured my imagination. It wasn't just about the convenience or the luxury, it was about a lifestyle that seemed almost otherworldly. I couldn't help but wonder what other services are out there that cater exclusively to the rich and famous. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of luxury, uncovering the top 10 exclusive services that only the wealthiest people get to enjoy. From private jets to personal chefs, we are exploring the extraordinary lengths that rich people go to for comfort and convenience. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these fascinating insights. So, stay tuned till the end to get a glimpse into a life of unparalleled luxury. And who knows, maybe you'll pick up some ideas for your own aspirational lifestyle. Welcome, millionaires! Today, we are taking you on a journey through the opulent world of luxury services that are exclusively available to the rich and the elite. Whether you aspire to this lifestyle or are simply curious about it, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Private jet charters. Ever dreamt of skipping airport queues and soaring the skies in your private jet? Private jet charters offer a level of convenience and luxury that commercial flights can't match. Imagine having a jet at your beck and call, ready to fly you to any destination without the hassle of security checks, waiting lines, or delays. This is a reality for many of India's top business magnates and celebrities, who frequently use services like JetSetGo and Air Charter Service India to travel in style and privacy. Not only do they save time, but they also get to enjoy bespoke in-flight services tailored to their needs. Number 2. Exclusive concierge services. What if you had someone to handle all your tasks effortlessly, anytime, anywhere? Exclusive concierge services are like having a personal assistant available 24/7. They take care of everything from booking luxury hotels and making restaurant reservations to organizing private events and securing tickets for sold-out shows. Companies like Quintessentially and Less Concierge in India provide such services to Bollywood celebrities and high-net-worth individuals, ensuring that their clients' lives run smoothly without them having to lift a finger. Number 3. Private banking and wealth management. Imagine having a team dedicated solely to growing and protecting your wealth. Private banking offers bespoke financial services to the affluent, including personalized investment advice, tax planning, and asset management. In India, top private banks like Kotak Wealth Management and HDFC Private Banking cater to the ultra-wealthy, providing them with exclusive financial solutions that are not available to the general public. These services ensure that their clients' wealth grows sustainably and securely, allowing them to focus on enjoying their riches. Number 4. Luxury travel experiences. How about a vacation where every detail, from start to finish, is meticulously planned just for you? Luxury travel experiences are all about exclusivity and personalization. Companies like Abercrombie and Kent and the luxury travel agency curate bespoke travel itineraries that include private tours, luxury accommodations, and unique experiences that you won't find in any standard travel package. For instance, some of India's wealthiest individuals have enjoyed private safaris in the heart of the Ranthambore National Park or exclusive stays at the Oberoi Udaivilas in Udaipur, complete with private chefs and butlers. Number 5. Personal security services. Would you feel safer with a team of highly trained professionals looking out for your safety? For the wealthy, personal security is not just a luxury but a necessity. High-profile individuals, including business tycoons and film stars, often require security teams to protect them from potential threats. In India, Agencies like Tops Security and SIS provide bespoke security solutions, including bodyguards, armored vehicles, and state-of-the-art security systems to ensure the safety of their elite clientele. This kind of service gives the rich peace of mind, allowing them to go about their lives without fear. Number 6. High-end personal shopping. Imagine having a fashion expert at your disposal to curate your wardrobe and shop for you. High-end personal shopping services cater to those who desire the best fashion without the hassle of shopping themselves. Luxury malls in cities like Mumbai and Delhi offer personal shopping experiences where clients are assisted by fashion experts who help them choose the latest trends and exclusive collections. Companies like Elitify and The Secret Door provide such services, ensuring that their clients are always dressed to impress. Number 7. Private health and wellness services. Ever thought about having a team dedicated to your personal health and well-being? The rich often have access to private health and wellness services that provide personalized care beyond the capabilities of standard healthcare. From having private doctors on call to bespoke wellness retreats, these services ensure the elite maintain their health and vitality. In India, companies like Portia and Max at Home offer home-based healthcare services, while luxury spas like Ananda in the Himalayas provide bespoke wellness programs tailored to individual needs. Number 8. Exclusive event planning. What if your events were the talk of the town, meticulously planned to perfection? For the wealthy, events are not just gatherings but grand spectacles that reflect their status and style. Exclusive event planners like Vidniksha and the Wedding Design Company in India specialize in organizing luxurious weddings, parties, and corporate events that are customized to the client's every whim. These events often feature lavish decorations, celebrity performances, and gourmet catering, making them unforgettable experiences for all attendees. Number 9. Luxury real estate services. Imagine living in a house that's not just a home but a statement of your status and success. Luxury real estate services provide the elite with access to exclusive properties that are not available on the open market. These services offer everything from beachfront villas to penthouse apartments in prime locations. In India, companies like Sotheby's International Realty and Christie's Real Estate cater to high-net-worth individuals looking for properties that offer privacy, security, and luxury. Number 10. Art and Antique Advisory. Do you know the true value of that painting or antique piece on your wall? Art and Antique Advisory services help the wealthy build and manage their collections of fine art and rare antiques. These services provide expert advice on acquisitions, valuations, and sales, ensuring that clients make informed decisions about their investments. In India, companies like Saffron Art and Astaguru offer such services, helping clients acquire valuable pieces that appreciate over time and enhance their living spaces. Now, since you've watched all the way to the end, here's your bonus. Number 11. Luxury Pet Services. Ever wondered how the pets of the rich and famous live? For many wealthy individuals, their pets are not just animals, they are beloved family members who deserve the very best. This has led to the rise of luxury pet services that cater specifically to the needs of pampered pets. These are just a few of the many luxurious services that cater to the wealthy. Whether it's for convenience, security, or simply indulgence, these services provide a level of comfort and exclusivity that few can afford but many aspire to. So, which of these luxury services caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights into the world of luxury. Until next time, stay inspired and live luxuriously. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the opulent world of the rich and famous. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it.